If you're thinking about getting back into running after taking weeks, months, or even years, this is a sign to slow down. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people trying to run like they're still in shape like they were years ago. Your heart, your lungs might feel okay, but your bones, tendons, ligaments, and joints, they haven't caught up yet. That's where injuries happen. Before you even start, make sure you've got a good pair of running shoes. Don't pull out the pair that's been sitting in the garage for 5 years. Spend a few minutes warming up with a brisk walk and some dynamic stretching. And during your run, don't worry about speed. Focus on consistency. A run-walk approach is perfectly fine, and if you start feeling sharp pain, swelling, or begin limping, don't push through it. That's your body telling you something isn't right. After your run, cool down by walking for a few minutes. Stretch your calves, hamstrings, hips, and feet. Stay hydrated, get some protein in, and don't ignore the soreness that keeps getting worse over the next day or two. Remember, being sore is normal. Pain that changes the way you walk isn't. I'd much rather see you running 3 months from now than sitting in my office next week with plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, shin splints, or a stress fracture. Build slowly. Your body will thank you. This is Dr. J with Balanced Foot and Ankle.